Assalamu alaikum. Today's class is refraction and refractive index and second law of refraction. That is also important. We know that when light travels in the same homogeneous medium, it travels along straight line. Light has a property; it always travels in the straight line in any medium. When light passes from one transparent medium to another, the direction of its path changes at the interface of two media. This is called a refraction of light. इसका क्या मतलब होगा? When light travels from one medium to another medium, एक medium से दूसरे medium की तरफ जा रही है light. Suppose this is an interface. Suppose this is air here. Yeah, this is air. This is glass. Light is coming here. When light is coming, this is called instant ray. The light is coming. This is an interface. This is separating. This is called interface. Interface. This is separating air with the glass. When we draw here normal here, perpendicular here, you know this is incident ray. Incident ray. This is angle I. We have seen that the direction of its path changes. The light, this refracted ray, it bends towards the normal. इसका क्या रीज़न है वो मैं भी बताऊंगा. इसको कहते हैं एंगल आर. This is the instant ray. This is called a reflected ray. But when it comes from air to glass, it bends towards the normal. When we take the same picture here it is glass here. ऊपर से glass, नीचे की तरफ air है. Suppose light is coming from, इस वक्त light glass से आ रही है. Instant ray glass से आ रही है. Suppose यहाँ से आ रही है. This is incident ray. When we draw normal here, normal, you know this angle I, it bends away from the normal. ये direction of its path is changed, but it bends away from the normal. ये क्या, इसमें क्या reason है वो भी मैं आपको बताऊँ. But when we take here the another case here, this is air. Suppose this is glass. When light falls normally to this interface, it passes in a straight way. इसका डायरेक्शन चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. इसकी डायरेक्शन चेंज हो रही है. बट हियर लाइट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम air to glass. The refracted ray bends towards the normal. Here light is coming. This is the instant ray. This is the refracted ray. But light is coming from glass to air. This is the glass. This is the air. Light is coming from glass to air. It moves away from the normal. इसमें क्या रीज़न है? इसमें क्या रीज़न हो सकता है? We know that for this we have to explain the refractive index. Refractive index is called mu. Refractive index को हम कैसे, how can we define a refractive index? Refractive index is the speed of light in vacuum. When we define it, absolute speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in that medium. Suppose मैं वाटर का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स निकालना चाहता हूँ. स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम, सपोज C डिवाइड बाय स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वाटर. स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वाटर दिस कॉल्ड रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ वाटर. अगर मैं एयर का निकालूंगा, स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम डिवाइड बाय स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन एयर. अगर मैं गिलास का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स निकालूंगा, स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम डिवाइड बाय स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन गिलास. We know that speed of light in vacuum is 3 lakh kilometer per second. Speed of air is almost equal to that. We say that the refractive index of air is almost taken as 1. It is almost taken as 1 because speed of light in vacuum is almost equal to speed of light in air. But in case of water, we see the speed of light is, vacuum is 3 lakh kilometer per second. It is 2,25,000 kilometer per second. When we divide this, we get refractive index of water. But refractive index of water is 1.3. It is a unit less because इसका unit भी किलोमीटर पर सेकंड के ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. It is a unit less quantity. Refractive index is a unit less. When we compare with the glass, speed of light in vacuum is again 3 lakh kilometer per second. गिलास का है 2 lakh kilometer. When we divide it, it becomes 1.5. The refractive index of glass is 1.5. Refractive index से क्या पता चलता है? Refractive index tells us we can say whether the medium is rare or denser. More is the refractive index More is the refractive index of any, more it is called, the medium is called a denser. Suppose if we compare here air water, air का suppose refractive index 1 है, वाटर का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स सपोज 1.3 है, तो गिलास का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स 1.5 है. वी कंसिडर हियर air is rear than water, water is rear than glass. When we compare, when light is coming from water to glass, we consider water is the rear medium and glass is the denser medium. When light is coming from air to water, these are two mediums, air and water. Here we say air is a rear medium and glass is a denser medium. When glass light is coming from water to glass, here we say water is rear than glass, because the refractive index of glass is more than the refractive index of water. So this is about the refractive index. More is the refractive index when light comes from, suppose this is light, this is coming from air and it is moving to glass. When light comes from rear medium to denser medium, it is speed of light, it is speed of light goes on decreasing, it is speed goes on decreasing, and when it goes decreasing, it moves towards the normal. The bending takes place towards the normal, bending takes place towards the normal. When light is coming from rear medium to denser medium, the bending of light takes towards the normal. When light coming from suppose this is the interface, suppose this is glass, ऊपर की तरफ glass, यहाँ glass है, और अगर if I try normal here, here the light is coming from glass to air, suppose to water, it moves away from the normal. This angle I, this angle R. That means when light is coming, this is the reason, bending of light towards the normal, away from light. When light is coming from rear medium to denser medium, the refracted ray bends towards the normal. When light is coming from denser medium to rear medium, the refracted ray moves away from the normal. So this says about the refractive index. But here when we say refractive index, सपोज ये मैं कह रहा हूं, अगर लाइट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम एयर टू वाटर, हम कैसे लिखते हैं एयर टू वाटर? दिस इज द सेकंड लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, सेकंड लॉ ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. इट गिव्स बाय Snell was the scientist, Dutch scientist. He gives this law. It is also called Snell's law. Snell's law कहता है sin I divided by sin R is equal to constant. Constant is equal to mu. We call it, it's the refractive index of second medium with respect to first. ये क्या, ये आपको एक्सप्लेन, ये आपको समझना है. पहले मैं कांस्टेंट क्या बताऊं. कांस्टेंट मतलब if we take medium here, this is the interface. Suppose this is the ray of light coming here. This is the angle I. Suppose this angle A, it moves towards the normal. When we take sin I divided by sin R, if angle of incidence is something, say 20 or 30 degree, it gives corresponding value of angle R. अगर हम इसका रेशियो करेंगे sin I divided by sin R, when it gives some value, suppose its value is 2 or 4, whatever it is. Again, when we change the angle of incidence, it gives corresponding value of angle R. If I divide these two, it gives again the same value, 4. This is called constant. At any value of sin I, it gives corresponding value of sin R. The ratio of these is constant. Constant is the same. हम क्या लिखते हैं? This is written as refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. This is refractive index of second medium. Suppose it is air here, it is water. That means we write refractive index of water with respect to air. This is called constant. हम कैसे लिखते हैं? Basically जब हम ये लिखते हैं sin I divided by sin R, ये क्या लिखते हैं? mu 2 divided by mu 1. It is also always when light coming from air to water, we say it is the refractive index of water with respect to air. When light coming from water to air, we say it is the refractive index of air with respect to water. हम कैसे लिखते हैं? Basically you know that refractive index. Suppose refractive index of air is mu 1. Suppose refractive index of water is mu 2. हम कैसे लिखते हैं? mu 1 अगर हम डिफाइन करेंगे, mu 1, it is the speed of light. In that speed of light coming, speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light, speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in water. That's suppose the speed of light in water in V1. अगर हम μ2 लिखेंगे, व्हाट इज दिस, इज द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम डिवाइड बाय स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वाटर. Suppose water is in air, suppose the speed of light is v1, suppose the speed of light in, it is v1 here, it is v2. एज पर डिफिनेशन अगर यहाँ हम करेंगे रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स किसके बराबर होगा, इट इज स्पीड ऑफ, यहाँ स्पीड ऑफ लाइट हियर, स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन एयर टू द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वाटर. बिकॉज लाइट कहाँ से आ रही है, एयर से आ रही है, वाटर की तरफ जा रही है. उधर वैक्यूम में आ रही थी, एयर की तरफ जा रही है. वी कॉल स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम टू द दैट ऑफ एयर. यहाँ स्पीड ऑफ लाइट कहाँ से आ रहा है, एयर से आ रही है, कहाँ से जा रही है, वाटर से. दैट मीन्स रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स हियर कैन बी डिफाइंड एज, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स हियर कैन बी डिफाइंड एज v1 divided by v2. If I calculate here v1 here, because as per v1 here is equal to v1, we can get v1 is equal to c divided by mu1. Similarly here v2 is equal to c divided by mu2. If I substitute here refractive index, क्योंकि लाइट यहाँ से आ रही है, यहाँ से जा रही है, v1 divided by v2, but as per definition μ1 किसके बराबर हो गया, μ1 किसके बराबर, μ1 इज द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम टू द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन एयर, μ2 इज द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम टू द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वाटर. बट यहाँ ये फिर यहाँ मैंने v1 और v2 का वैल्यू निकाला है. फायर μ1 इज द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ एयर, μ2 इज द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ वाटर. व्हेन आई सब्स्टिट्यूट v1 डिवाइड बाय v2, आई कैन गेट c डिवाइड बाय μ1 डिवाइड बाय c डिवाइड बाय μ2. Mu is equal to, if I can c divided by mu1 multiplied by mu2 divided by c and c cancel, it gives mu2 divided by mu1. That means it is a refractive index of water with respect to air. That is why sin I divided by sin r, when light coming from air to water, we say it is the refractive index of 2 with respect to 1. It is refractive index, it is called refractive index of water divided by refractive index of air. अगर if light is coming from water to air, if light is coming from water to air, we say sin I divided by sin r is equal to refractive index of water with respect to air. If light coming from वाटर टू एयर टू वाटर, वी से इट इज़ द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ वाटर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एयर. मैंने आपको ऐसे एक्सप्लेन किया, ये का हम कैसे लिखेंगे. सिमिलरली व्हेन लाइट कमिंग फ्रॉम वाटर टू एयर, वी से इट इज़ कॉल्ड रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ एयर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू water. I hope you have got this. What is this? This is all about refractive index, and this is also the synonym, the ratio of sine of angle of I divided by sine, ratio of sine I and sine r is equal to constant, and this constant is called mu. If light coming from air to water, it is called refractive index of water with respect to air. If light coming from water to air, it is called refractive index of air with respect to water. Constant आपको समझ आ गया. If I take different values of I, it gives different value of r. If I divide these two, sin I divided by, it gives the same value, that's called constant. I hope you have got this. In next chapter, in next class, we will do an important question that is called total internal refraction. Refraction. This is a very important question and frequently asked in the examination. Hope we will do it tomorrow. Thank you very much.